بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا بكم وحل أسئلة كفايات اللغة الإنجليزية للمعلمين والمعلمات لعام 1439. 1. The words take and stake are antonyms, hyponyms, homograph, homophones. الإجابة الصحيحة هي دي homophones، لأن كلمة stake و stake they have the same pronunciation but they have different meaning. الكلمتين لهم نفس النطق ولكن المعنى يختلف. في هذه الحالة يسموا homophones. 2. The word fight is aphthong, diphthong, triphthong, monophthong. The answer is diphthong. 3. Bottom-up listening strategies include recognizing words, making predictions, drawing inferences, forming hypotheses. The answer is recognizing words. 4. The understanding of the function of the spoken utterance in a given situation is known as linguistic competence, strategic competence, pragmatic competence, discourse competence. Pragmatic competence involves an understanding of the function of a spoken utterance in a given situation. The answer is C, pragmatic competence. Number 5, while teaching listening, which of the following includes a technique a language instructor might use to implement top-down strategies? Recognizing cognates, listening for the main idea, listening for specific, recognizing word order patterns. The answer is A, recognizing cognates. Number 6, which skills associated with the Broca area in the brain? Writing, reading, speaking, listening. The answer is speaking. Number 7, blank are real objects used to help EFL students better understand the meaning of new vocabulary. Realia, T-shirt, drawings, scaling. The answer is realia. Number 8, which of the following stages of a lesson encourages students to use their pre-existing knowledge? Production, evaluation, warming up, practice. The answer is warm up. Number 9, which question is most relevant to identifying the desired results of a lesson? How can the teacher engage the students throughout the lesson? What prior knowledge and skills do my students have before this lesson? How much time do I spend on each activity during the lesson? D. What should my students have learned by the end of this lesson? The answer is what should my students have learned by the end of this lesson? Number 10, sounds made with the tongue touching the front teeth, such as the English th and da, are velar, dental, palatal, bilabial. The answer is dental. 11. Which of the conversational maxims does the speaker seem to be particularly careful about in these sentences? I may be mistaken, but I thought I saw him smoking yesterday. A. Quality. B. Manner. C. Relation. D. Quantity. The answer is A. Quality. Now let's have a look on conversation maxims. The cooperative principles, maxims of conversations. Grace, 1989. Name of maxim, description of maxim. Quantity. Say neither more nor less than the discourse requires. Relevance, be relevant. Manner, be brief and orderly. Avoid ambiguity and obscurity. Quality, do not lie, do not make supported claims. Do not lie, do not make unsupported claims. 12. ELL, beginners in Saudi Arabia and in other Arab countries tend to use the B sound instead of P when pronouncing the word protocol. Which of the following types of negative L1 transfer could be used to describe this phenomenon? A. Hypercorrection. B. Underproduction. C. Misinterpretation. D. Underdifferentiation. The answer is underdifferentiation. Under differentiation, the representation of two or more phonemes, syllables, or morphemes with a single symbol. For example, the symbol S is used to represent sa, za, and cha. 13 which of the following is a specific learning outcome? A. Students will be able to appreciate English grammar. B. Students will be able to understand the writing process. C. Students will be able to value phonetics and phonology. D. Students will be able to use present tense in reports. The answer is D. Students will be able to use present tense in reports. 14 closed-ended questions are designed to encourage creativity, discuss arguments, ensure objectivity, express opinions. The answer is ensure objectivity. 15 by Noam Chomsky blank is an ability linguistics, knowing meaning of word even if not here before, performance, competence, cognitive, native, speakership. The answer is B. Competence. 16 writing that conveys the story and often is read for pleasure is recognized as writing. Narrative, expository, persuasive, descriptive. The answer is narrative. 17 which of the following is a general learning outcome? Students will be able to write descriptive essay. B. Students will be able to write personal stories. C. Students will be able to write academically. D. Students will be able to write emails to classmates. The answer is C. Students will be able to write academically. 18 in academic writing, what is the part of a research paper that typically gives the reader a brief idea about the whole paper, including research methodologies used and main findings? Literature review, table of contents, introductions, abstract. The answer is abstract. Now let's have a look about reciprocal pronouns. It expresses a relationship between the individuals indicated in the plural subject. Examples: two boys fought with each other. Here each other is reciprocal pronoun. 19 each other is a pronoun. Personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, possessive pronoun. The answer is reciprocal pronoun. 20 which one is a subclausal negation? That is impossible. They never tried to win. Nothing happened. Nobody knows this. The answer is that is impossible. 21 which reading strategy do students identify and fix problems with their understanding of the text? Predicting, monitoring, elaborating, highlighting. The answer is monitoring. 22 Sally Shaiwitz talked about two neural pathways for reading in the parts of the brain. In which of the brain do these pathways reside? Front, right, back, left. The answer is left. الجواب هو الشق أو الفص الأيسر. 23 which of the following steps begins the process of teaching fluency in reading? Collaborative learning, independent practice, direct instruction. The answer is direct instruction. التكملة في المقطع التالي.